Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog guys, I am showing you another winner's haul. I've been there and I love going there. And yes, I have a bunch of hauls for you guys to show. More of false lashes. I've been collecting eyelashes for some time. So yes guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays, makeup hauls and anything about makeup. So if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So yes, today I'm gonna show you guys all the makeup hauls that I've been purchasing recently. So first off, I got the NYX soft matte lip cream. So it is $7.99. The actual price is $12. So you got 3 and these are the shade colors here. Let me open it for you. They're all matte, so they come into this packaging. I'll just take it off for you guys. So this one, oh, I don't know if there's a shade name here. It doesn't have a shade name. I cannot see, it's too dark. Oh well, I cannot see. But yeah. Oh, maybe it's in the packaging. So this one is in the shade Moscow, and the darker one is in the shade Copenhagen, and the other shade is Budapest. So let me swatch it for you guys. First, we'll swatch the Budapest. It comes with a dope applicator. And this is the shade Budapest. Nice red and very creamy formula. Nice. Next is the Copenhagen. I don't know how you say it. So this is the shade. And this is the applicator. This is the very nice red Copenhagen. It seems like there's no difference, but this Copenhagen is more darker than the Budapest. Oh, let me put, oh, maybe, okay. We'll try this on the lip. The Moscow one. So, oh, it's blue. I don't know if it's gonna be looking good on my, but I'll try. We'll try. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. It's a blue one. Oh my goodness. I like it. It's kind of dark. It's very like you have to be gentle in applying this one. But blue. But I have to remove this because it doesn't match my makeup, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So the lipstick that I'm using is from MAC, the Selena collection. It is called, oh my god, I cannot read it. Whatever, but this is it. I'm sorry. So we'll get on with the haul. Okay, let's do the eyelashes. So have you seen this? Are you familiar with this brand? This is my first time to see this brand. It's called Lit. I don't know. It says easy to apply and reusable. It is in number 8, crisscrossed and winged. So it is from Allure, maybe? I don't know. So it is a 1 pair lashes. I like it. So yeah, that's why I'm just gonna try these lashes from this brand. Next up is another lash from House of Lashes Sephora. It is a, I don't know. Oh, in Emilia. This is how it looks like. Very nice. and dramatic. I like long and dramatic lashes. Another one is from Sephora. It's called Flare for $5.99. I love the packaging. It's in a hard case. I think the actual price is $12, so I got this in Winners for $9. So this is Sephora Flare. I like the packaging. Another one is from Velour. This is, when I went to Sephora, it was very expensive one. So I'm just looking out for Velour lashes and Winners because they are very cheap there for only $9.99. Yes, so they are very dramatic, and it is, I don't know, so very nice and dramatic from Velour. Another and last one, eyelashes from Sephora. It's called Iris Silk, and love the packaging. It comes in a hard case for $5.99, which retails for $12 in Sephora, but in Winners it's only $5.99. Very nice with very nice eyeshadow. So recently I've been purchasing eyelashes. The next top I'm gonna show you is another brush. It is from Sephora, I guess. Yeah, Sephora brush. Let me put my, so let me open it. It's for $4.99. I take a peek on it. Oh yeah, it's Sephora. So this is the brush. Oh, you have to open it. But if you can see, I don't know if you can see it. I don't think so. But this is so cool. It's called the Tight Line Eyeliner in extra small. So we have to open it, I guess. It comes with a, I'll be back. Guys, sorry, I have a hard time opening it, but it looks like this one. This is the brush, but it comes with this like a holder something, so I have a hard time opening it, so we'll open it up next time. The next one that I'm gonna show you is from Elf. I really love this one. It's a 16-hour camo concealer. I've been loving this. I ran out. My first one that I bought, I ran out, so I grabbed another one and I bought it. It is on the shade light beige. Then next up is from Laura Mercier. It is a tinted moisturizer. This is the packaging. It is for $9.99. It says it is a tinted moisturizer, lightweight, flawless coverage, 30 ml. Let me open in nude. So let's open it up. It comes in a tube and it's lightweight, and just have to, this is the oh my goodness, sorry. Yeah, we'll fix that up. Okay, next up is another brush from Elf. This is the Precision Smudge Brush. This is very nice when you put it under your eyes here, tear duct. So this is the brush, very nice addition to my brush collection. It is for $4.99. Then the next up is I grab a lipstick from MAC in the Winners. Let me put on my basket. It is, the first one I got is from the shade Fresh Moroccan. I'll just put this, whatever. So this is the shade, oh, it's a very, very dark red shade. Very nice. It's called Fresh Moroccan. I already threw the packaging, so yeah, that's the shade. The other one comes with a duo with a pencil and a lipstick. So this is a lip liner in the shade Brick, and the let me swatch it for you guys. So this is a liner in a shade Brick, very soft, nice formulation, and it comes with a lipstick. It's a powder kiss lipstick in the shade Stay Curious. So let's open it up. I love it in Winners because I can find see, this is the shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. So it's a powder kiss formulation, very nice pigmentation, very soft on the lips, and I love it's like a muted red, very nice color, and yeah, great for everyday look. So yes guys, this is all I got from Winners. More of the eyelashes, I grabbed more eyelashes during that time and a few lipsticks. So yes, I hope you enjoyed watching my haul, and I'll see you next time on my next purchase or hauls, makeup hauls here on my channel. So yes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video, and I see you guys soon. Bye.